must be mad. The second place I go. Just I get a youth with big dreams, big dreams, big dreams, big dreams. Yeah. First place, we are come for the prize, we no shake. Yeah. Man never complain. Remember the hard that the fight make you greater. Yeah. No matter how the journey rough, turn the crown. Can't make no problems, all you work it out. Fuck shame, man have to put mama house upstairs. Yeah. Man have things to do, man have things to make. Money pile up in the ceiling, something for set. Stop living at the past, you don't see it straight. Rich me send me work for everything we get. I'm telling you about change my life, brother, and make things happen, you see me? You want to find a proper girl, bro. Meet all catty with you, bro, I tell you. Uptown. I make you do anything, man. Yeah. Uptown, man, you see me, she come from Tosh, you know? Yeah. You will still get a life, but bring her and get to you. Yeah. No, man, to get some, man. That's what I said to bro, what you didn't do, you see me?
I'm feeling kind of bored. I wonder if I should give this guy a call.
I'm gonna say, I'll call girl and fix up mine. Now I want to feel safe now, I gotta see.
I'm here for my mate, I'm safe, you know. Yeah. All the badness go alone, put it down. Yeah, man.
Okay, I'm gonna give him a call.
Hold on, take that call. Oh, hello, beautiful. See you again. What's up?
Hey, Ty, so what's up?
Oh, I'm here in the barber shop getting a haircut, you know?
We are nice officer.
No more see you, man. Pull it over there.
Okay. I'm at Black Lion Entertainment Center having a drink. And since you've been asking to take me out, I was wondering if you'd like to take me out today.
Baby, I'm building for the opportunity. And if I shabby make them pass the opportunity and not pass me. See me? Just call me and tell me what time.
Your mouth sweet like.
Okay, babes, I'll send you a message, alright? We'll meet up later.
Okay, I'll talk to you later. Bye.
Barber, I look like Christmas come early, you know. She this, you know. Same girl, man, I tell you a while ago, brother. I think God, winning now.
Lord, I hope I'm making the right choice.
Yo. Yes, sir. Full ready. Enough bad prayer pray, me still there same way. Them say me curse, but me still there and I gain weight. 45 down my belly keep the place safe. Patiently me a work on the payday. Used to be the one boat without shame face. Mama ball and she pray for the chain break. Jason dead and gone, me not the same fate. Can't make them spread the whole world. Hey, British. I am baddest barber uptown, you know. Yeah, man, why y'all get take quick? So I put a 30 belly in my tires. Stay to myself, grass cut. I never left my shoes like a glass cup. Y'all got jar breaks, my head climb up. Can't stop me now, me just a warm up. Heaven never
Master, what go on? I have a story to tell you. Yes, child, I forget this a story. But if you call it from last night, I never get the chance. You know, up so, and this crop looking boy. Like him have, you know, some form of confrontation or something. It's a force that make a nasty self. I try to talk to money. And all me I try to insult him. He won't even take the break and move. I just hope, you know, money get herself get a banger and call it a nasty boy, you know. Because you know them stay. Them really take telling, you know. Master, I call you one money, so I call you back later. Alright? I'll give her a call.
Baby, I'm waiting. Baby, I'm waiting. Waiting for you. I'm waiting.
Let me call a girl. She not answer the phone. I go straight to voicemail. How this? I'll try her again one more time. What this man? Voicemail. I'm going to girl now get herself mixed up, you know, with a boy there, you know. Because the young boy don't know storm, you know. Until they get blown and something really happen to them, you know. We just have this gut feeling that I really are going on. Because she not answer her phone.
Yeah. As soon as I get there, I show you that I care. Throw away those numbers, girl, 'cause I'm the one who cares. Are you hiding from somebody who lives down your lane? You don't have to worry, baby, I will play your game.
Hello, how you doing? I don't do but I want something strong.
Here, learn outside again.
You may do it on all of them boy out there. One woman. Where from? Something.
Oh shoot, Auntie was calling me. Let me give her back a call.
What on? Don't come back to that. Right, Monica call me. Me answer the call. How are you then? Look how long me I call you. Mine you no Monique. Mine you up to some folly, you know. I have a gut feeling about something. Let's hope it's not right.
Auntie, I was in the bathroom. I didn't see a call. I know. Can you come and check me? I need to talk to you about something.
Alright. So what you said?
It's urgent.
Alright, yeah. I'll come look for you. We can talk. Just give me a few minutes. You have a one drink. I never know what to do.
Sure. Auntie's not gonna get here for now, so I'm just gonna get ready for my date.
Roger Tosh, new beginning. Whoa, yeah. Look at my shirt, dirty 2 pounds, not even new shoes. Hot stepper, we are like hot pepper. You're trying a little hustling, be careful how you're juggling, and don't let them fool you.
So how was the day, Stefan?
Not too bad enough. How was yours?
Alright, I'm a bit tired, so I'm gonna cook today now.
Yeah, that's alright, man. Because chicken and things are somewhere about
Alright. Stepper, you know I have something I want to talk to you about.
Hold on the babes, let me pull over.
So babe, what's on your mind?
You know, some manic. Something troubling me. You know, the other day when I was walking, talking and all that, and then we take a little seat, and then this young man come from nowhere with him force for himself.
Yeah.
Anyway, he was making me know that it's not me him addressing. It was she.
Yeah.
He didn't have a problem with that. Then him start and she take him number. I couldn't believe it.
Yeah,
She bite the bait and take the boy number. So you know what that mean? I've been thinking, what I mean. I just feel some money call that little careless boy, you know. That little nasty boy. No, so smaddy man look, you know.
These young people nowadays is something else. I don't know.
You want me liberty up? You never say something else. This is about how these young people. I want careless boy come from down at the ghetto.
Yeah.
I mean, no such take the bait and try to call that boy. I will find a way to put a stop his tweet, you know. Because once then the boy they get on it, you know, it done.
Well, darling, you know I have your back. I call the shots and I fire them.
Yes, I know that, babes. Why you think them call a stepper?
I wish part the boy live.
Don't worry yourself. We'll soon find out.
All right.
Boy, girl, I get captured. Me a top man. She ready for the action, tougher than a tanker.
Yo,
me no chat long.
Bad bro.
Yo, bad Indian.
Adi, me too. Bad bro, Adi.
Time me never half in the brother.
Yeah, man, how you got that?
I want to tell you, say, I go up on the road, brother. You see me? You ever hear them say dream come true?
How you come with him?
Yeah, but meet up with the cat here, I tell you about one night, brother.
So you want to raise up in the name, you know that?
Head cut off clean. Dog, my spirit take like girl, brother. I tell you, I like her, bro. I don't know dopey thing in the bro, but a spiritual connection there between them. See me, believe.
You don't know about to fall in love, you know, because remember you're a top man boy, you know.
You hear me, a top man boy, bro, but I need a top girl. And a girl, a top girl, brother. Watch you know? Them little girl, the boy, I can't elevate me, you know. So that cat here, bro, she go uplift my thing, brother.
You know the chop, man. So that thing I'm come for boy, is it?
That's a 40, brother. Not even want to know where you're up to, you know, dog. Hold on. Hold on, this, brother. Watch you go on, dog. One in the head, brother. You see me? I bother with the fuckery. I go up on my date, dog. You hear that?
You know, I just watch you, young man. I look come on, is it?
Active, bro. Must be mad. The second place I go. Just I get a youth with big dreams, big dreams, big dreams, big dreams. Yeah. First place, we are come for the prize, we no shaker. Yeah. Man never complain. Remember the hard that the fight make you greater.